Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft To-Do tasks in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to your Outlook. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Click on the Calendar option to access your Outlook calendar view. This is where you'll be able to visualize and organize your scheduled tasks alongside your meetings and appointments. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice a small icon. Click on the My Day icon to open up the Task Management panel. This feature integrates your Microsoft To-Do tasks directly into Outlook, making it incredibly convenient to manage both your calendar and your to-do list from one centralized location. Once the panel opens on the right side of your screen, make sure you are on the To-Do tab. This tab is essential because it displays all your tasks that have been created in Microsoft To-Do, giving you a complete overview of what needs to be done. You can see all your tasks listed here, organized and ready to be scheduled. Next, you'll want to select a task from your list that you'd like to schedule. Once you've identified the task you want to add to your calendar, simply click on it and drag it directly to your calendar. As you drag it, you'll see it move across the screen towards your calendar grid. You can drop it on any specific day and time slot that works best for you. This action automatically creates a calendar event for that task, effectively blocking out time in your schedule to ensure you actually get it done. This integration makes it incredibly easy to convert your to-do list items into actionable calendar appointments without having to manually recreate them. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your Microsoft To-Do tasks directly in Outlook. By integrating your task list with your calendar this way, you ensure that important tasks don't just sit on a list but actually get dedicated time slots in your day. This approach helps you stay organized and ensures you're making consistent progress on your priorities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.